How to cancel Spotify Premium free trial on phone and PC. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So the first thing to note is that you cannot cancel Spotify Premium on the app. So what you have to do is open up a web browser, for example Safari, and then type in account.spotify.com and then log in, and it will take you to this page. If this doesn't work for whatever reason, just Google Spotify account settings and click on the spotify.com top link. So once you're here, simply click on your plan. From here it says manage your subscription, and then click on cancel subscription. It will then nag you a bit to try and make you change your mind. But no, I want to cancel. Continue to cancel. Again, more nagware. Just click on continue to cancel once again. And finally, click yes, cancel. It will then say you've cancelled your subscription as well as the date premium will expire.